guys, it's Isabel and we're here at Worldwide RV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys around Jayco's North Point 382 FLRB. Now you already know when you buy with Worldwide RV, you're going to be able to go straight from the lot to your camping spot. So there's so many features to go over on this one. So as per usual, we're going to start on the outside and then we'll make our way in. Now, before we start talking about the features on the exterior of this RV, let's go over some of the important things. This RV is going to be a total of 43 feet, and it's going to have a GVWR of about 18,000 pounds. In this fifth wheel, you have a lot of storage, but to start with, you have a nice pass-through storage up here in the front. Now, in there, you're going to see you have Nuvo H2O water softener and filtration system. Up front, you have this massive storage bay. Now you are able to put a generator in here, and we did order this one generator prepped. Also, while we're in the front, this fifth wheel is equipped with the MoRide pin box, and you have the MoRide 3000 suspension on here as well. You'll see that MoRide suspension right here. Now this is like the gold standard for the fifth wheel industry. All right, now let's go to the back of this fifth wheel because you guys are not gonna wanna miss this. Come here. You have a super large pass-through storage back here. That's going to be perfect for gear, everything that you need. And you're not going to have to lug around a grill in there because they included one on this outdoor kitchen for you. You have a sink in here with a fridge, as well as look at this grill. You even have a little side table right here for you, and it's super easy to just put right back into the storage area. But that's not it. Come here. Look at this, you guys. This fifth wheel is storage galore. So if you have a lot of gear that you're wanting to bring with you on a camping trip, traveling the world, you have plenty of outside storage on here. Let's go check out the inside. All right, now we're in the inside of this fifth wheel. I know you guys are thinking this is so beautiful, but the first thing that I want to do is point out some features that we went ahead and upgraded on this. The first one is going to be this third AC above me. Now this is a 15,000 BTU AC, and you're gonna need that here in Arizona. You know how hot it gets, so with that third AC, it's gonna keep this entire fifth wheel nice and cool, even when it's 120 degrees outside. And if you decide not to stay in Arizona with your fifth wheel and you're going to somewhere that's a little bit colder, this fifth wheel has the extreme weather package. So what does that mean? That means that your tanks are going to be heated by 120 volt heating pads, and you're going to have insulated underbelly, best in the industry. As soon as you walk in the door, you are greeted by your beautiful kitchen area with an island. You have solid surface countertops in here. You got plenty of counter space in here for prepping all your food, as well as drawers and cabinets for storage area. You also have residential size amenities. So you have a 4-burner cooktop with a convection air fryer microwave and a multi-purpose sink. For your sink, this is going to be a stainless steel farmhouse style sink. You have on and off button, temperature control. You also have a vegetable wash and a cup rinser. This is also retractable as well. For the fridge, you are going to have a residential style fridge. Now this is 21 cubic feet, and to help power this fridge, you're going to have the Overlander 2 solar package. So that means you're gonna have 2 solar panels, each 200 watts, and the 1,800 watt inverter as well. And because I know you guys have been eyeing it, before we move on over to your dinette, your living area, this fifth wheel does have a second bathroom. Now you're gonna have a toilet in here, a sink, as well as medicine cabinet storage and storage underneath the sink as well. Across from your kitchen area, you have your dinette area. Now this is going to be a roll top dinette. You're able to pull this out, seat 2 additional people. You also have this little counter space area, and underneath that there is some area for some storage. Now up these stairs, that's going to be the living room area, but I really wanted to point out all of this additional storage area that you have right here with these cabinets, as well as your TV up here that is on a televator. It is able to go down so you could see everyone that's in the living room, or if you're wanting a little bit of privacy, or you're wanting to cook and watch a show and he's wanting to watch football in the living room, you are able to do that. Now we are inside of this living room area. You'll notice that you have 2 opposing slides with couches on both of them. And in this back, you have theater seating. These do recline and have a massage feature as well as a heating feature. A really awesome feature about these two couches is that they do both come out to be a bed. So not only can you seat a lot of people up here, but you can sleep a few people up here as well. And this is the opposite side of your TV elevator. On this side, you have a 50-inch smart TV. Underneath it, you have a JBL sound system. And beneath that is going to be your fireplace. There is some additional storage right here with some cabinets as well. And this is the master suite, you guys. You have so much floor space in here, being that this is a king size bed. You also have a little bit of shimmy room right here, making it easier to get into that bed. Across, you're gonna have a bench seat and these closet storage with some drawers underneath. And above that, you also have a TV. Let's move on to this beautiful rear bathroom. Now, not only is the lighting in this bathroom beautiful, I love the back glow on the mirrors. You also have some windows in here for some natural light. You're gonna have 2 sinks in this, so a his and hers, perfect. And a lot of counter space underneath your sink and underneath this counter space. As you can see, you have your storage area. And let me show you the shower. This is going to be a walk-in shower, so it's going to be super easy to get inside. You also have a seat to sit down, and this shower head is able to come down, so you can rinse off the kiddos, the dog. It just makes it a lot easier. It is also super spacious in here. I have plenty of room to move my arms around and plenty of headroom as well. For some additional headroom, they did include a skylight in here though. And you also have this cabinet in here, which hiding inside is washer dryer prep, which is a big plus for a fifth wheel like this. If you're planning to travel a lot or you want to be at camp for a lot longer, you're not going to have to go over to the laundromat a million times. You'll be able to do laundry right here. Alright, well there you guys have it. That was a complete look at this Jayco North Point 382 FLRB. And as you know, Worldwide makes it possible that you could take our RVs straight from the lot to your camping spot. So some of the features that you did see on this North Point aren't standard. So if you love this North Point and want to take it out yourself, come down to Worldwide RV located at 4660 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona. Hope to see you soon.